Hello authors or budding authors, I have a very nice tip for today, and the tip is, who are you writing this book for? And you know, I when I go to meet a lot of authors, I do one-to-one coaching to my authors and ask them one question, भाई ये किताब लिख किसके लिए रहे हो? Who are you writing this book for? And you know what is their answer? And just think, is the same answer you are giving me at the moment, that the book is for everyone. It's not right, because if you are writing book for everyone, no one will read it. In the market of books, everyone is equal to no one. Yeah, everyone is equal to no one. You know why I am saying is because when you narrow down your audience, you focus on a specific audience problems, you will have very successful book coming in. Let me give you a small example to ask you how you should be very specific, because specific is terrific. Let me ask you the question. Think of one white thing coming into your mind quickly. Now let me re-ask this question again. Think of one white thing in your fridge. Don't you think second question was easy to answer? 90% of you thought of a milk or an egg. You know why? Because when I said think of one white thing, I gave you the entire world to think of. But when I say fridge, you knew what to see. Now that's the same concept for audience. When you say audience, everyone is as good as no one. When you specific audience you're writing for. So why you need a specific segment of audience? Because you should be knowing who are reading, what kind of examples you have to give, what kind of content has to be given, what kind of problems you're solving in this book. Yes, this example, content, book can be beneficial by anyone and everyone, but you are not writing for anyone and everyone. Who are you writing for? You are writing for a specific group of people. Okay, just remember that, and never ever say I'm writing for everyone. You should always have very clear idea. Ideally, you should be able to define this audience in front of you. The height, health, education, gender, income groups, everything, wherever possible, define the characteristics of this particular audience and write the book. You will be writing a very powerful book then. If you do it for everyone, then you're doing for no one. That's a tip for today. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.